Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies across the area currently, some chilly temperatures, seeing temperature around 34 degrees currently. I'm going to see temperatures rise today in the upper 30s, and we'll have a system approaching the region with an area low pressure developing off the North Carolina coastline that's going to give us some snowfall across the region for this afternoon into the evening hours. Some of that snow could be heavy at times, and we're expecting some accumulation from that snowfall across the region. It looks like we'll see about 2 to 4 inches of snow here at Wallops and points northward. Going to see a bit more snowfall as they'll remain snow longer before a transition over to rain, as it appears for most of the area, especially up to about the Maryland-Delaware line. But overall, looking at the current surface analysis, do have high pressure over our area, giving us a nice morning in general across the region, tranquil weather. You can see here this area low pressure across the deep south. It's going to be moving along a stationary boundary and developing off the North Carolina coast for later this evening, and we'll see that precipitation with that spraying across the region this afternoon. So looking at our current observation with overcast deck at 11,000 feet, light winds out of the north at 3 knots, temperature 33 degrees as of 8:15, and also seeing a relative humidity around 56%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery as well as our composite reflectivity, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region with that mid-level cloud cover moving in the region. Also seeing some reflectivity across the area that is not reaching the ground, drying up across the drier mid and low levels across our area. But we'll see this continue to saturate the atmosphere for this morning, and then seeing that precipitation moving the region for this afternoon. Taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model, you can see here it does spread in some snow showers across the southern portion of the Delmarva around 1 o'clock, and then moving into the Wallops region around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then spreading across the rest of the peninsula thereafter. We'll see that rain snow line quickly approaching for this evening. The 3-kilometer NAM here brings that rain snow line in as soon as 6 p.m. this evening, but I'm not expecting that until most likely around 7 to 8 o'clock, with a transition to all rain most likely after 8 o'clock this evening. So our snowfall accumulations look like they're going to occur most likely from about 2 till about 8 o'clock, and then that rainfall moving in after 8 o'clock this evening. And overnight, we'll just continue to see rain showers across the region. We'll see that rain snow line approaching central Delmarva as well, and seeing that sleet mixed in across that area too. So we'll see a wintry mix across central Delmarva overnight, and then looks like they'll see also a period of just some plain rain across Wycomico County. Points north of the Maryland-Delaware line look to stay all snow, and that's where the heaviest amounts will be across the Delmarva as it appears right now. Moving into Wednesday, we'll see dry conditions during the morning. Still going to see low clouds with the possibility of some patchy drizzle. Then moving into Wednesday afternoon to evening, we'll see rain showers move back into the region, especially in the evening hours, as we'll see a warm front move through, and we'll see a cold front moving through on Thursday morning into early Thursday afternoon, giving us very mild conditions for early Thursday, but we'll see that rain shower activity across the region right around noon across the region. So taking a look at our current risk chart for the day, we'll see red conditions for precipitation from noon through 4 local on Wednesday, then orange condition from 4 to 8 local on Wednesday. We'll see that snowfall possibly heavy at times, especially between about 1,400 local till 20 local, and then thereafter we'll see that quickly transition to some rainfall across the region. So as I mentioned, the snowfall accumulations here at Wallops, about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Could be seeing a little bit less if that precipitation doesn't move in quite as heavy as is expected, and most of the model guidance, 4 inches is about the top end of the guidance. So that's if everything works out here at Wallops, when we see that heavier precipitation move in, temperatures fall to near freezing, and seeing that heavier snowfall for a few hours across the area. So looking like a good chance of 2 inches and a high end with that 4 inches. So unlikely we see that 4 inches, but can't rule it out across the region. And overnight, we'll see those temperatures rise into the mid to upper 30s, and expecting temperatures around 37 to 38 degrees by tomorrow morning. Our winds will be light in general today, and then picking up overnight with that low developing off the coast northeast, 10 to 15 knots, gust 21 knots overnight. As far as the 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see low ceilings as well as reduced visibility with the snow moving in this afternoon, and to continue to see those low ceilings. So looking like we'll have ceilings around 500 feet, especially once we see that snow move in for this afternoon into the evening hours, with remaining low ceilings overnight with that rainfall across the region. Our tides are running normal currently. And looking at Wednesday, we'll see overcast skies, abundant low cloudiness, and patchy drizzle. Rain likely by the evening. It'll be chilly and slightly breezy, high at 42 degrees. That high will be during the evening hours, so it looks like we'll be stuck in the 30s most of the day on Wednesday. For Wednesday night, overcast, rain likely, abundant low cloudiness, slightly breezy as well. We'll see an evening low around 41, temperatures rising in the upper 40s by dawn. And for our Thursday, looking at low clouds and slightly breezy winds, rain showers likely through early afternoon, becoming partly mostly cloudy late, and we'll see those breezes pick up in the northwest late as well. We'll see a warm high or mild high of 57 degrees, so quite a turnaround from today with the snowfall by Thursday with temperatures in the mid-50s. We'll see red condition for our rain from Wednesday through Thursday, as well as seeing good chance of low clouds, as well as seeing better chances of wind advisory late on Thursday with that cold front moving through with some post-frontal northwesterly winds filtering behind that. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, looking like 7 days.